Hey, today I'm going to do 3 basic and fundamental exercises: push-ups, squats, crunches, which you can do at any time, anywhere. We always need to start with warm-up first, then workout, then end with cool-down. I'll show you what is warm-up, then workout and cool-down. Arm rotations, 5 to 10 counts. Backwards, 5 to 10 counts. Five to 10 counts. Five to 10 counts. Hands shoulder width apart. Body on your toes and your arms. Keep your body straight. Keep your lower back straight. While going down, inhale. Coming up, breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Feet shoulder width apart, abs tight, back straight. Start with moving your hips back. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, breathe out. 3, 4, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out, breathe out. Then let's do crunches. Keep your abs tight, always. Keep your hands to beside your neck. Wow. While going here, breathe out, breathe in. Breathe out, breathe in. One set of push-ups, one set of squats, one set of crunches, all 3 including one circuit. You can repeat 3 times. If you do it for 10 to 15 minutes at home, I guess that's good enough workout for today. In this workout, push-ups will cover your upper body, squats for your lower body, and crunches for your abdominal. Workout is done, then stretching. Hold for 5 seconds. Other arm, 5 seconds.